You were watching so many videos on Omegle recently and now you want to download Omegle app for Android and you don't know how to download Omegle app for Android, then yes, this is the video and let's go. First go into any web browser, like literally any web browser, and type there online Omegle. You can talk to strangers, but why would you like to talk to strangers? Why not? Click on the first option, first website, and you click on this menu icon, or what is this menu button, and you see the option of download app right here, so have a click there. And here with the blue highlighted thing, it says download APK file, so have a click right there. And it says file might be harmful, and maybe download anyway. And it's okay to download this file, I think so, because it's kind of safe. And now you click on open when your file is downloaded. Do you want to install this application? Install. And now here it says open, so open. And yes, it may take some time to open, and really, like if it does not open for you even after a long period of time, what you do is close it right now and go into Play Store, and in the Play Store you will type there Omegle. It's right here, like Omegle, and get it installed. And yes, this is the thing what that idiot YouTuber asked us to do, but I should not say that because I am doing the same thing right now. And yes, sorry for the clickbait or something like that, but yes, this is the thing. If the Omegle application does not get downloaded or does not open, still it's like opening, trying to open. If it does not open, you go and have a click into your Play Store and get this application called Omegle downloaded, and it says video chat alternative. And the thing is, same thing, you will need to have a little bit of patience and a little bit of courage to interact with people and strangers. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you. Bye bye.